Okay, so next up is making threads for the actual helicoil itself. Put some oil on here, make it nice and happy. These things work best when you have a lot of oil on them. So wobble that into position. I like to turn in a half a turn and back out a quarter turn. That seems to work best when doing these. That way you don't get any aluminum all caught up in the threads. Wind up tearing out the threads you're making. It's never good. So once you have those threads in there, you can run your helicoil down into the hole, and then voila, you have new threads. It's not that difficult. However, you do need some proper tools to be able to do it, and make sure that you do it well.